Hey guys, we are going to go over a job that we did for Holy Cross. This is a elementary school and secondary school that is in St. Catharines, Ontario. What we did is we did a kitchen, entire complete renovation. It's a commercial kitchen. So every time you have a commercial kitchen, you have to put makeup air units, meaning when you exhaust in kitchens, usually you exhaust air out. So when you exhaust air out, you got to put back air in. So this is a video of us bringing that makeup air unit, basically a system that brings in fresh air from outside into the kitchen, and usually those are on the roof. And this is a video of us craning that makeup air unit on top of the kitchen. So simple straight video. We did the job with a general contractor. So as you can see here, this is me. This is right after I came from Sri Lanka. Me and my brother. We have a couple of guys. We have a Foreman, Jason, and Bill on the unit. So always, guys, make sure that when you're bringing units in, always bring it in a flat bed. We've had some of our carriers send us in just boxed units, and sometimes it's hard for us to take it off the crane. So make sure that you always bring it on a flat bed, and that's the makeup air unit. So this is the crane guys setting up. That's actually Bill. He's helping our guys out, the crane guys out. So this is a big crane, and because it needs to go into the middle on top of the roof. That's my brother. This is a nice shot we got in the morning of the crane lift. So this is the crane setting up. That's Jason on top of the makeup air unit. So this is brought over from the side of the school. It's going into the middle. As you can see, Jason on the side giving crane signals to the crane operator. And yeah, this was just a nice lift just because it was a nice day. It was nice and warm. That's the crane. You'll see Mohan pop in. As you can see, the string is just to pull the unit. You'll see that footage right there. That's the string that we use to pull the unit. It really helps to wheel the unit into place. That's Mohan doing that. This is a time lapse of the installation. That's me pulling the string. So this is a really interesting job, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If there's any questions, put it in the comments section below.